Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
Solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Start with the equation 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Divide the equation by the coefficient x square. We make it to 1. X square minus 12 by 3, 4x, 3 by 3, 9, 3 by 3, 9 by 3 is 3 equals 0. X square minus 4x, bring the constant that side, minus 3. And then x square minus 4x plus b, the coefficient of x, yes, that is b by 4 by 2 the whole square minus 4 by 2 the whole square equals minus 3. So we know that this is a plus b the whole square. It will become x minus 2 the whole square minus 4. So this is 8 by 2, 4 equals minus 3. My x, it is this one, x minus 2. X minus 2 equals minus 3 plus 4 root plus or minus. X minus 2 equals plus or minus root 1. X equals 2 plus or minus 1. Therefore, x equals 3 comma 1. So hence solve the equation by completing the square. See you guys. Have a great day.